doing a pretty cool video I've seen going around where you make your $1,000 dream cart at Sephora with things that you would love to try until it adds up to $1,000, and then share that list with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and share the items I've put on my $1,000 dream cart at Sephora. A lot of this stuff is just more expensive items or things that I've been wanting to try and I just haven't. Some things are just too expensive for me to ever actually buy myself because I can't justify paying that amount, but it's still things that I would like to try. The first item that I put in my cart for this is the Patrick Ta Monochrome Moment Silky Lip Cream. The shade that I like the most out of what he has is called Unapologetic. And then also the next item is by Pat McGrath Labs. Of course, they're super expensive for her stuff. And I wanted to try the Permagel Ultra Lip Pencil in Contour. I've heard Kathleen Lights talk about it so much that it's just something that I would like to try myself too. And for the prices. So my cart actually ended up being $1,001. So I'm $1 over, but I'm sure there's some type of coupon that would even get me a little less than that. For the Patrick Ta lip cream is $24 each. And then the Pat McGrath Labs lip pencil is $28. The next item I have is by Laneige. I think that's how you say the brand. It's their lip sleeping mask in Sweet Candy. I've just heard so much about those lip sleeping masks that it's something that I've always thought about trying, but to me $22 for a lip mask isn't something really that I would pay for that. They're $22, like I said. And then for the next item I have an eyeshadow palette. This one's the Natasha Denona Bronze Eyeshadow Palette, and it's $65, so it's not as expensive as some of her palettes, but it has more colors in it that I felt I would personally use on a regular basis, so that's why I chose that one. And then next I have by Glow Recipe their Plum Pump Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It's a new item they have, and that's $42. And then I have another Patrick Ta item. This one is the Major Glow Lip Shine, and this one was in the color She's an Influencer, and that retails for $22. Then I have the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Setting Powder, and that I chose the shade Fair for me, and that would be $45. I've heard a lot of things about that over the years too here on YouTube, so I wanted to give that a try one day, hopefully. And then next I have an Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil in soft brown. I've never tried her brow products other than the clear brow gel, and that's $23. Next I had by Too Faced their new Born This Way Matte 24-Hour Foundation. I like their original Born This Way foundation. It just doesn't last long on my skin. It tends to break down after maybe 4 or 5 hours. It's not an all-day lasting foundation, so I feel like I would really like this one. The shade I wear in their foundation is Swan when I don't have a self-tan on, and that retails for $40. And then next I had another foundation. It's the Lancome Tint Idole Ultra Long Wear Foundation, and the shade I chose for that would be 90. It's just another foundation that I've heard a lot about, but I have never tried, and it retails for $47. And then I have by Fenty Beauty their Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer in the shade Fenty Glow, and that's for $19. I have this one, which I'm wearing today, that we got in a BoxyCharm, and I really love the formula of it, so I would really like to try some of her other shades. I have by Huda Beauty their Tantour Contour Bronzer Cream in the shade Fair, and that's $30. And I've just never tried a cream bronzer, and that's one of those hyped products too, so I would like to try that. I have another foundation. This one's the Hourglass Vanish Seamless Finish Foundation Stick in Alabaster. I've just never tried a stick foundation in general, and that one is one of the most talked about foundation sticks. And that's $46 if I didn't mention it. Then I have the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray for $35. Then by Patrick Star, his One Size Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist for $24. And that's just something that's very unique. I've never seen a product like it, so I would like to give it a try. Then I have Huda Beauty's Legit Lashes Double-Ended Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. Retails for $27. And that's just a new product that I think looks interesting. I would like to try. Then I have one of my favorite hair care brands by Briogeo, the Be Gentle, Be Kind Banana and Coconut Hair Value Set. That's a newer type of shampoo I think they've came out with, a new line. So I'd like to try that. It retails for $56, but you get 3 items in that pack. Then I have by Glow Recipe their Watermelon Glow Lip Pop, $22. Just sounds like an interesting product. I love lip balms and things like that. Then I have another Patrick Ta Beauty, the Monochrome Moment Precision Lip Crayon in the shade She's Humble. That retails for $26. And then by Huda Beauty again, I have their Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the shade Sugar Cookie, and that retails for $34. Then by Hourglass, their Unreal High Shine Volumizing Lip Gloss for $30. By Huda Beauty, their Kayali Vanilla Perfume. I just really love vanilla type of perfumes. That's just my go-to type of scent, so I would love to try hers, and it retails for $85, and that's for 1.7 ounces. Then I have by Natasha Denona their Chromium Multi-Chrome Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Ultraviolet for $28. This looks like a really cool product to me. It's kind of like the Stila Glitter and Glow, I think is what they're called, eyeshadows, but it has a duochrome shift to it. Then by One Size, Patrick Star, their Go Off Makeup Remover Wipes for $15, and that's just something I'm interested in trying because I like Patrick Star, and I think it's really cool when YouTubers brands get put in Sephora too. Then by Huda Beauty, the Nude Eyeshadow Palette. That's just kind of a classic palette at this point. Everyone seems to have here on YouTube and love, but I've never gotten that. I have some of her mini palettes, but not that one, and that retails for $65. And then I have the Amrezy eyeshadow palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and that's $49. And then the last item is the new Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas Featherweight Protective Primer. So it's their silk canvas primer, but in a liquid form, and that retails for $52. So that gets me to the $1,001 cart. Again, these are things that maybe one day I will end up getting. If I don't buy myself, maybe I'll get them as a gift or in a subscription. Something like that would be really cool. And I really enjoyed this video because it helped me discover some things that I didn't even think I would want to try until I actually saw it on the site. So let me know down below what some of your dream items are, makeup, beauty, hair product wise, anything that you would get at Sephora. And let me know if you have any other video ideas that you would like to see me do here on my channel. Please hit subscribe before you leave, hit like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.